2021 will be the last year that these cars are produced by Lotus. This is one of the final edition cars and marks the pinnacle of the model's technical development.
Well, welcome to a new Harry's Garage video, and you catch us at Lotus, actually the factory, Hethel. Lots of people here, big grandstand here because we are waiting for the launch of the new Lotus car, this Emira, this Type 131. So it's the first new car from Lotus for I don't know how long, but I suppose since the Ejida, the electric supercar. But this one has an engine, and it's going to be the last Lotus produced, launched with an engine. And I just feel that's a moment in time. I just sort of had to be here. I haven't been here for some time. I think the last time I was in Hethel was actually Danny Bahar was showing me around the factory and his great plans. We all know what happened there. Now Lotus much healthier, in Geely's hands, doing a great job. Love the design that Russell Carr's doing. We'll probably see him later as well. But tonight, I don't know how it's going to happen, how the launch is going to work. We've been told to bring some earplugs with us, which is slightly worrying. No idea why we want earplugs, but we're going to have something, I'd imagine, a demonstration of Lotus Classic. I'm hoping some of the great F1 cars in the past. But anyway, you're going to join us, see what happens in real time as they start counting down. The time now is 3 minutes past 7. The actual launch of the car is at 7:30. They term it the unboxing.
As you'll join me in welcoming the Managing Director of Lotus Cars, Matt Windle!
Good evening, welcome to Hethel, the home of Lotus. I'm incredibly proud to be here representing the whole Lotus team on what is a historical day for us. We are joined by a small crowd on site, welcome on this beautiful day, and 131 super fans from all over the world, including Japan. Hi Japan, sorry for keeping you up so late. Ni hao China, the party in the Middle East, closer to home in Germany. Hi Europe, and good afternoon to America. And welcome to you all watching live. Now, you think you know Lotus. I think I really know Lotus as I started here 23 years ago, but I've never known Lotus like this before. So, when you leave tonight, I want you to be crystal clear that Lotus is a strong global player in the premium performance sector with its strategy set and its future firmly secured. So, what's in the box? For our customers, what is in the box is the most accomplished Lotus to ever come out of Hethel.
So
for our business, what is in the box is a symbol of the massive transformation of our company and brand. And that incredible journey continues tonight with the unboxing of Emira.
Right, we're getting very close to the launch, and the weather gods have decided that the Lotus Emira launch ought to be wet, and we keep hearing claps of thunder. I have a Farmer app on my phone, and there is the rainstorm heading our way. All photographers, etc., just wondering, please get this thing uncovered before our camera equipment dies from being so wet. Jensen Button managed to get a go in it in the dry, but everybody, if you turn around, Charlie, everybody is huddling under cover. The presenters are fanning it up and being out there, poor guy, but we're very close to the unboxing of this Emira, and I hope it's very waterproof, and it's a good job it's not a convertible. This is proper wet. I can see the lens getting wet, so we're just going to give that a quick wipe before the new car turns up.
High resolution. It has multiple layers of information and data to the driver.
Great snippet just come from Matt from the MD. 2 engine options, the Toyota V6 supercharged that we know about, but the range starts with a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine from AMG. So it's going to have that engine that we see in the A45 and those sort of cars. This super high power 4-cylinder engine that AMG are quite famous for now. It's great to see that connection with Lotus. Right, anyway, we're going to see some classic cars.
Tonight,
Fortunately,
we
as you can see,
present to
the rain
eight
has stopped
cars
and I can see the
represent
sun
our
for the first
heritage.
time this evening, hiding over there.
This Elan S3 was one of the first cars to leave the factory here in Hethel.
Really
It was
pretty
built
car.
here between
And there it is.
1976 and
Oh.
2004 and was designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro, who's widely
Someone's
considered to
nicked
be
the
one
keys
of
to
the
my
most
garage.
influential car designers of all time. An iconic movie car. It was driven by James Bond and The Spy Who Loved Me, where after a spectacular car chase, viewers saw the
There it
Esprit
is.
turn into a submarine. Its movie
Has he gone
career
the wrong
also
way?
saw starring roles in For Your Eyes Only, Pretty Woman and Basic Instinct.
look at
The
that.
car featured here is the turbo version and was Colin Chapman's personal car and his last official company car. Unveiled in September 1995, it revolutionized low-volume vehicle manufacturing with its pioneering bonded aluminium technology. The chassis of the car itself is a work of technological beauty, strong, stiff,
And here comes the rain.
even with a modest 118 brake horsepower engine, the Series 1 Elite can do 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. At its launch, it was heralded as one of the greatest sports cars ever. Demand was so great for the Elise at launch that there was a 2-year waiting list.
And I was on that waiting list.
By far the noisiest engine of all the cars on display today is this classic Team Lotus Formula One car, the
Well
Type
done.
72. Launched in April 1970,
We understand it's on
it really
slicks
became
as
one of
well.
the truly
Gav
great
Kershaw
F1
behind the
cars
wheel.
of all time.
Who knows a thing or
It's
two
arguably
about
the reason
driving.
modern F1
Unreal
cars look the
driver.
way they do
But
today,
I don't know,
as it was
expected
the
to be
first
driving
car
it
to
in
move
this
the
sort of weather.
radiators from the front to the side. Colin Chapman claimed that this car was perhaps the most perfect example of
Look at that.
aerodynamics at work. This is chassis number 5 of 10. She was used in 1972. Written off in a crash.
He's a brave boy.
1973 Dutch Grand Prix.
But then
The
again, he
wreckage
is at the
languished
moment
in a storeroom for
doing the
40
development driving on a
years.
2,000 horsepower
2013,
electric
when the
supercar.
Harry the car. The restoration was completed in 2019, just in time for the car to participate in the Autosport track test at Hethel and that year's Goodwood Festival of Speed.
Do a lap. That's like a boat.
25 years after the first rolled
Unbelievable.
off the production.
So, come on, let's get this unboxing over with.
The
8:05.
Lotus Type 130 is the Avaya, and there will be only
Oh, yeah.
130 of these cars made.
Ooh.
The Avaya is the world's
Hey, here we
first fully
come.
electric British hypercar and has been designed, engineered, and
here we
is
are.
being hand-built right here in
Here it
Hethel.
is. First
An
time I've seen it
ultra-lightweight
under
carbon
power.
fiber monocoque makes it the world's
True power.
lightest production EV hypercar. And Avaya produces in excess of
Avaya.
2,000 horsepower from its 4 electric motors. The car has a top speed of 200 miles per hour and is capable of reaching 180 miles
Great
per
design
hour
on it.
in under 9 seconds.
No
The
mirrors.
Avaya goes into production later this year with customer delivery soon after. As we'll soon see with the Emira, the Avaya is a statement of intent for our future design and technology direction.
I just hope some of the design on the Emira comes from
Now
the
we've
Avara.
seen what has come before.
Right.
It's time to
Two.
unbox the future for Lotus Car. We give you the Lotus Emira.
Here it goes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All the smoke machines are going, the dry ice is off. Ah, it sounds good. If that's one running down there. I think it is. Oh, it's got holes. Not quite sure where the sound's coming from the car or from the speakers. Yeah, that's not now. Like the side scoops. I'm also intrigued with this 2-engine policy, which is a good one because presumably that means it makes the entry car cheaper than the V6. Here it comes, first sight. Hey. have the V6. Good looking car. It's not very big. Oh, there it is, coming out of its box. The launch blue. Poor guy, I hope he hasn't been sitting in there all this time. Right. Right. There's our first sight of it. Evolution. It doesn't break any new boundaries on design. Oh, it's a bit of heat. Looks very Lotus. That's the outside bit done now, I think. I want to have a closer look. What I've discovered so far is prices start just under £60,000, so that puts it head on with the Alpine A110. But this is a bigger car. This is a sort of size of the Evora, wider tracked, but it has space behind the seats. Matt will tell me all about it. That's the new MD. I've been chatting to him about it as well. His first car. Great to see Jensen driving it, and we saw a bit of the interior. Great big info screen on it and that sort of thing. So what I'm keen on now is getting a closer look on this car. Right, look what's just turned up outside. If you come and join me, Charlie, I just want to... The key thing for me for this car is the interior and how different it is. Now, the first thing, look how much wider that door opens. This looks slimmer, so that is a very good thing. And then look, it's got a modern interior. Manual gearbox there, because this is the V6 version, so you can have paddle shift or manual in the V6 version, and then the AMG, the 4-cylinder engine, is actually paddle only, but it does look good. No one's going to stop me. I don't know if I can do this or not. Oh, now that's interesting. Good wheel. What we've got, heptactic on the wheel, new dash, looks very modern. I have to say, it does look very modern apart from the Lotus gear change. That's the bit that's so different. Look at these speakers. This is interesting. Memory electric seats, but a very modern screen. Plenty of room, no sign they're going to do a convertible, and there's a luggage behind the seats. Electric seats in a Lotus, who would have thought? I like the aero, use of air as well, it's not too aggressive. Yeah, Emira first edition, this one. Doesn't look as though anything is happening here. No, neat. Good to see it. Really nice to see it. Nice to see the lineup of cars, and especially next to the electric supercars, where the Vira. So yeah, a new age of Lotus is coming. What I find interesting is Euro 7 is actually going to go on to allow these engines to continue longer than we expected. So it does make you wonder how long this car will be in production. But from first sights of it, looks ace. Obviously goes ace, sounds great in V6 form as well, so I wish it well. So I hope you enjoyed this very smash and grab Harry's Garage on the new Lotus Emira. If you have, well, please keep watching, more videos coming along very soon.